Every packaging company I talk to is bleeding out, chasing the same customers, fighting over pennies, burning cash on trade shows that just don't work. And the worst part, they actually think it's normal. It's not. It's the reason their margins are dying. There is a better way, and it starts right here. Listen, here's the deal. Most packaging companies right now are drowning in the same bloody red ocean as everybody else, competing on price, chasing the same accounts, burning money on trade shows, fighting over scraps, and then they wonder why margins suck, why sales are flat, and why customers treat them like a commodity. That's not strategy, that's survival. The blue ocean strategy flips that on its head. Instead of fighting over the same fish in a crowded ocean, you sail out where nobody else is playing, and the opportunity is wide open. Let me give you an example. Back in the day, I was competing against the giants. Berlin, Amcor, Uline. You can't out-warehouse Uline. You can't out-discount Veritiv. If you play their game, you are already dead. So I had to carve out my own lane. Instead of chasing commodity boxes and tape, I zeroed in on specialized, flexible packaging. Stand-up pouches, spouted pouches, bag-in-box, aseptic, low-melt bags. Stuff that distributors didn't understand and couldn't sell. Suddenly, I just wasn't another supplier begging for orders. I was the only guy in the room who could solve very specific problems. Very expensive problems. My ocean wasn't red anymore. It was blue, and wide open blue. So here's how you create a blue ocean in the packaging space. You niche or niche down. Don't spread out. Stop trying to be everything to everybody. Pick one area where you can be the clear, undeniable expert. Could be flexible films, shrink hooding, liquid pouches, multi-wall paper bags, low-melt bags, batch inclusion bags. When you own a niche, buyers seek you out. You educate, you don't pitch. 95% of packaging companies wait for trade shows or cold quotes. That's lazy. Create videos, case studies, guides. Teach buyers something they can't Google in 10 seconds. That makes you the trusted voice, not just another vendor. Leverage visibility, not reps. Old school says hire more salespeople. New school says become discoverable. Use LinkedIn, AI search, and marketplaces where your story and solution show up exactly when buyers are searching. That's how you cut through obscurity. You solve problems others ignore. Everyone is screaming about price. That's the red ocean. The blue ocean is solving for downtime, compliance, innovation, sustainability. There are headaches nobody else wants to deal with, but they're worth millions to the right customer. Too many packaging manufacturers and resellers are stuck in this idea that playing it safe is the smart move. It is not. Playing it safe is what is killing you. It's not safer to keep chasing the same accounts that Berlin or Amcor are after. It's not safer to drop 25 grand on a trade show booth when nobody remembers you 48 hours later. I'm just telling you the truth. The safest play in 2025 is to own your own ocean. That's how you escape the race to the bottom. So if you're watching this and thinking, all right, Marinac, where do I even start? Here are 3 very simple moves. So if you're watching this, this is number 1. You audit your current ocean. Where are you competing on price? Where are you fighting over scraps and constantly losing margin? Write it down. That's your red ocean. Number 2, find the white space. What are the problems buyers are Googling that nobody is answering? What packaging solutions do you offer that your competitors don't even talk about? That's your blue ocean. That's the blue water. Finally, tell your own damn story. Get it online. Get it on LinkedIn. Get it in front of AI search. Because here's the truth. If you're invisible, you don't exist. AI does not and will not recommend ghosts. The blue ocean strategy isn't theory. It's survival. The packaging industry is being disrupted by AI, by Amazon, by global suppliers, and by changing buyer behavior. If you don't create an ocean, you're going to bleed out in the old one, which is a red ocean. Ask yourself, do you want to fight over scraps, or do you want to own the category nobody else is touching? Of course so. If you're ready to stop being invisible and start building your own blue ocean, that's exactly what we're doing inside the Specialized Packaging Alliance Marketplace. Come and be a part of it. I hope you like this video. Hope you share it, subscribe, and again, let us know if we can help you in any other way.